Iron Eraser Rust Remover is marketed as a powerful solution that supposedly dissolves rust instantly, but the real question is, do the results actually match the claims, or is the advertising exaggerated? Now, to be fair, rust removers are real products, and many of them genuinely work to some degree. Certain chemical formulas can effectively break down oxidation on metal surfaces. What it does well can remove light to moderate rust. For surface rust on tools, bolts, bathroom fixtures, or metal parts, products like this can genuinely improve appearance, usually easier than heavy sanding. Chemical rust removers reduce the amount of manual scrubbing needed in many situations. Where the hype falls apart, it will not magically restore severely damaged metal. This is the biggest reality check. Deep corrosion, pitting, and structural rust damage cannot simply be erased with liquid product. Before and after ads are often exaggerated. Marketing videos frequently show dramatic transformations under ideal conditions with editing or multiple treatments. Results depend heavily on the type of rust. Light oxidation is much easier to remove than years of thick corrosion. So, do Iron Eraser Rust Remover results match the claims? Short answer, partially, but the marketing is likely exaggerated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.